Bullish Ethereum cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $8,422.98 and $15,910.08 by 2030. Market investigators accept ETH could reach $6,551.21 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1,497.42. Ethereum presentation: decentralized and open source. Ethereum is a blockchain that supports brilliant agreements. The stage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main cryptographic money after Bitcoin. Software engineer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony D'Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum organizers. Crowdfunding for improvement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute long-lasting and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance offer a large number of monetary administrations without the requirement for regular monetary mediators like banks, financiers, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their property out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that show responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few establishments. They are similarly conceivable to produce and trade utilizing Ethereum. Furthermore, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for beginning coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local digital money. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to assemble any protected advanced innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for utilization on the blockchain network. However, clients may likewise utilize it to pay for undertakings done on the blockchain. Versatile, programmable, secure, and decentralized are highlights of Ethereum. Accordingly, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our regular routines. As indicated by specialized investigation performed on Ethereum, the cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the determination, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest obstruction. One more uplifting sign: the cost of ETH going over the moving normal with sound exchanging action upholds this. Hence, assuming the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the principal opposition, the following significant region to watch out for is most likely to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or discredit longer-term expectation. Ethereum is as of now worth $1,891.40 USD. ETH has moved 1.91% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,347,450,347. Ethereum is as of now positioned 2 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $225,078,174,209 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Ethereum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023 Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ETH cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $2,837.10. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $2,647.96 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headway. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $2,269.68. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024, Ethereum ETH cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $4,728.49. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the ETH's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3,782.79 and a typical exchanging cost of $4,161.07. Ethereum value expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $6,619.89 and ETH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $6,052.47 and a low of $5,674.19 in 2025. Ethereum value expectation 2026. Assuming Ethereum effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $8,511.29, with a base cost of $7,565.59 and a typical cost of $7,943.87. Ethereum value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $9,835.26 by 2027, with a base cost of $9,456.98 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ETH has a most extreme value worth of $10,402.68. Ethereum value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $11,726.66. On the off chance that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $12,294.08. Neglecting to assemble the help ETH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $11,348.38. Ethereum value expectation 2029. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $13,239.78 and a yearly cost close above $14,185.48 in 2029. Ethereum value forecast 2030. By 2030, Ethereum will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $15,131.17 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $16,076.87, averaging out at $15,509.45. Ethereum value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest ETH cost in 2031 is projected to be $18,535.